All right, welcome back to About You Beauty. I'm Brenda. Have another review to do for you today from IMSTYLE Wigs. And before you ask, this is Blue Jean from IMSTYLE Wigs. Beautiful calico. And today we are going to be doing Camelia. This is Camelia. She's 18 inches, beautiful mixed blonde, has a subtle rooting. And let's take a look at the inside construction of her. As with most of their, pretty much all of their wigs, they come with 3 combs, one at each ear, and it has a comb at the nape, the extended nape, the hook and eye adjusters, and close wefting. So this one is a fixed T-part, so you have lace that goes from ear to ear, and then you have this really nice, deep, long T-part section for that really nice natural part line. Some of the information on her is, like I said, she's a fixed T-part, and the description says just blonde with soft rooting, but she's a really nice mixed blonde. She's got lots of shades in her, and the darker the color that you're seeing there, I think is more like a light brown mixed in, or a dark blonde, but it's really well done. It's beautiful. Take a look. Even at the back underneath nape area. Okay, and then there's your rooting. It's just so beautifully done. It's just a beautiful balayage kind of design. So let's take off Blue Jean, and we will put on Camelia. Okay, I haven't cut the lace yet. I want you to see what she's going to look like with the lace and without. Okay, so let's get her centered. Just like that. And where's my hairline? Right there. There we go. So let's fold her lace up so I can see you guys. All right, so this is Camelia. I haven't done anything to this. Take a look at her from the front, the left, back, right, and front. She's so pretty. Take a look at the hairline. Move this lace down a little bit. I'm almost like touching the phone, you guys. That's how close I am. So she's beautifully done. I love the face framing layers that she has. And this slight little curl. It is beautiful. Mine isn't as curly as the one on the website shows. I'm going to show you a picture of that actually. Take a look at her. Okay, so mine is not quite as curly, but it is equally as beautiful. I love this. Okay, but the coloring is gorgeous. And on the website, it says her color is a tea black with highlight. No, that's a mistake on their part. This is definitely a mixed blonde with soft rooting. There is no tea black in here at all. I'm thinking that's the description for Chrissy. But anyways, so she's this gorgeous 18 inches. And she's got a really nice density. It says 130 to 150, but I'm going to say no. I'm going to say 120 to 130. There's a beautiful density, okay? And with this new construction and styling that they're doing, you are able to just pull out some hairs. You can have this up. It's going to be so easy to wear, down, up. However you want to style this, it's gorgeous. So yes, so all right, you guys, this is Camelia. Let's go outside. I'm going to cut the lace, then head outside and show you what she looks like outside. Okay, here is Camelia. Outside. Take a look at her rooting or hairline. She is so pretty. And this is what she looks like in the shade outside. She's a beautiful color dimension. I'm loving this. And the length is so nice. So again, this is Camelia from IMSTYLE Wigs.